What do you always notice due to the nature of your job?
Children who come from loving families versus those who don't. It's not all about finances either. Just because a child is clean and well-dressed, doesn't mean they're loved like they should be.
Technobabble and techno buzzwords. It's so easy to tell when a new piece of tech is all smoke and mirrors.
How much of the general public has reading comprehension problems? Work retail.
That all the ads on TV about medications, especially those with "ask your doctor if blah 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 is right for you" means your insurance won't cover them, and in an unlikely event they do, it's still expensive as fuck.